Ahoy, shipmates! Bit of a land-based activity today, shipmates. Slightly north of Salisbury, at the village of Sutton, Veny, here in Wiltshire. Not far from Stonehenge, which I've always thought is the extraterrestrial communication point here in the UK. Lovely little church there. Everything is blooming and growing in this springtime of year. And of course, there's one thing this season brings. Crop circles. Well, hope you enjoyed that one. Till next time, shipmates.